To make your own book, you'll need a piece of cardboard, some paper, plain or patterned, a pen or something to poke a hole with for your paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and something to sew your book together with. First, fold your card in half. Next, take your paper and cut it so that it is slightly smaller than the piece of card you have for your cover. You might need to cut your paper more than once to get it to the right size. Once you have your pieces of paper cut to the right size, they all need to be folded in half. Now you're ready to mark your holes. Mark one in the middle of the centre of the fold and the other two either side, a couple of centimetres in from the edge. Now you're ready to make your holes. Put your paper on something soft, then use your pen to push through each hole, lining them up each time. This diagram shows where your stitches will go. Remember to take it slowly and hold on to your thread so you don't pull it through as you're sewing. When you finish sewing, even out your ends, then tie them together in a knot or a bow. The last thing you want is this book falling to pieces. You now have a finished book.